Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Our 24-hour temperature cast going to get those numbers going, but a little slower and maybe not as far today, since we're going to have more clouds and that unsettled look and feel where it's going to look and feel like it should be raining even more than it actually does. And I do think our rain chances are going to be higher today than they were yesterday, and probably going to stay about this high for the next couple of days, which should limit those temperatures for the next couple of days. Now we're starting off this morning tightly grouped in the mid 70s, lots of 73s, 4s and 5s out there. Bainbridge at 75, Perry at 74, Thomasville at 73. And I think what's going to happen over the next few mornings is exactly that. A lot of 73s, 4s and 5s out there for temperatures. Not a big breeze stirring things up, so some of that fog getting a little bit thicker in a couple of locations. Visibility now down to just 2.5 miles in Perry. It's at 5 miles in Live Oak, and over the next few mornings, as we keep all this moisture around, we're going to find more and more areas of patchy fog. Haven't seen a lot of showers this morning. A couple tried to slide through the area from southwest to northeast, but shriveled up as they made their progress. I think as we go into the afternoon, that's when we're going to have the best chances for the most showers when you add in that daytime heating. Plenty of upper level support, plenty of available moisture. Got a lot of those ingredients lining up, and I think we can get some pockets where you get some pretty serious downpours mixed in there. But this is not all day, all the time, everybody gets wet kind of rain. These are going to be little pockets of showers that could bring an hour or two's worth of rain to some individual locations, and you could get a 15-minute shower in other spots. That's the nature of the unsettled. It's going to look and feel like it should be raining a lot more than it even does, but I think over the next couple of days, we all stand to get some decent amounts of showers. So if you pick your spots, I think you'll be able to get some outdoor stuff done, but otherwise, there's going to be enough showers where you're going to want to have the wet weather gear handy. And I think that's going to be the case all the way through the upcoming weekend. Very humid from start to finish. Now, some of this has to do with that decaying energy that was over the northern Gulf that had that chance for some development. It's got no more chances. It's done. And there's nothing else out across the Atlantic basin, which is just the way we like to see it. So all quiet out in the tropics, but we've got plenty of unsettled coming our way. It's going to be very humid everywhere, and that includes over the Gulf waters, where the winds will be out of the southwest 5 to 15 and the seas like 2 to 4 feet. Rain chances pretty low early, but they're going to crank up to about 70 or 80% this afternoon. That should keep those top temperatures middle to upper 80s. I think over the next couple of days, best chances for showers are going to be the afternoons, the evenings, and even the early nighttime hours, and then things will fizzle out overnight, and we'll do it all over again the next day. I think Thursday, Friday, Saturday, maybe even Sunday, it's more about the unsettled, and that should keep those daytime temperatures in the 80s. But when you mix in the humidity, it's still going to be icky, sticky, gross outside.